Tinie heels by Chinese Laundry feature a synthetic upper with an open-toe silhouette and a halo ankle strap with an adjustable buckle closure to give you a secure and custom fit, and another strap that goes over the toe to lock them into place as you walk throughout the day. They have an embossed reptile print from heel to toe, giving you a trendy and stylish look you're sure to love. Inside, there is a synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. You'll get a little over a 3-inch boost in height with a slender wrapped heel at the back, and it's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole. I think these will look great in your favorite pair of designer jeans.